Hello everyone. Today we are discussing with the basic SQL commands to how to create table and insert rows, alter commands. That means alter command means how to add one more column in our table and how to rename our column in the table. And there is some more commands are update commands. Update means you need to update the particular row values. Okay. And again, the last one is the delete command. Delete command means uh, you need to delete only one row in your table or multiple rows in your table. Then that time this delete command will be used, right? So select command is nothing but you are selecting your table or selecting particular columns. Okay. So last command is drop command. Drop command is nothing but you are entirely deleting table in your database, right? These are some basic SQL commands we are executing in our SQL sequencer, right? So now going on, so I can open run SQL command line sequencer. So first of all, we need to connect our database. So command is connect, okay? Connect, enter. So after that, the database username will be asked. The username is okay. Then immediately the database will ask the authentication password, right? So I'm already set some password. So once you are giving the particular authentication credentials, your database will be connected to your system, right? So now we are connected to our database. So first of all, I need to once again discuss two these basic commands. So first of all, I need to create one table, right? So this is one small syntax, SQL syntax, right? So based upon SQL syntax, uh, create table, how to create table and how to implement table in our database. So we are using create command. So that means create table and declaring of table name. So that means create is a basic command and the table as usual. So the table name is we are declaring EMP. So in this example, I can create one table. The table name is EMP, right? Right. After that, I can declare columns. Means the table particular columns. Okay, not rows. So first of all, I can declare EMP means employee ID, employee ID, okay, employee name, employee salary, and age. So I can declare in my table. So these columns, right? So actually, I need to type this commands in our sequencer directly, but there is a user friendly. There is no raising of mistakes. So that's why I can already predefinedly stored in particular or Word document or no document, right? So there is just our comfortability. Okay. So now I can simply copy paste. So this is the table. So once again, I can explain. So this is create. I can creating one table. So command is create. So table name is what? EMP. EMP. So I can declare ID, name, salary, age, right? So in please concentrate. So in this create table, I can declare column, right? First column is employee ID. Employee ID is I declared a variable type is number because ID is most probably there is a number, numeric number, right? So ID number I can give of 10. 10 maximum numbers I can insert it, right? For example, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Most probably there is a 10 numbers I can give the ID number. Again, next column is name. Name is a array type, that means string type. That's why I can declare here the variable type is varchar2. There is a one, two or three more are there. Different types of variables are there. That is char character type, var character type, and var character two type. Okay, these are three similar. So I can only declare char of 20. So that time I can declare 20 numeric, 20 alphabetical number places, right? If I can declare only char of 20, then that time I can use only, there is an example named Shiva. Shiva is the four alphabetical numbers, right? Remaining 60 bits of place are losses. So that's why varchar in our DBMS, varchar or varchar2 option is there. This is the updatable option. So this option I can use. So there is no loss of memory. Okay, right? Once I can declare varchar2 of 20, if I use the rows insertion time, there is only name is Shiva. So remaining Shiva is the four number. So SIV is the phone number. Then remaining 16 digits, there is no wastage of memory. So this data type I can declare on that time. The storage memory will not be wastages. Okay, understood? Then next column is salary, employee salary. Employee salary also I can declare only number type because of there is a new numeric number, right? So that's why I can declare data type is the number. So number is max size is I can declare 20. Then next one, employee age. Employee name also I can declare there is a number type. So maximum I can give 10. Okay, 10 numbers, right? Then once I can create the table, open braces, and I can finally close and comma semicolon is your compulsory, right? Otherwise it will give incomplete of table. So there is some errors. So you need to compulsory close it the semicolon, right? Once the table is creation, the table is successfully created. Okay. So we can, I need to check table created, right? So the table, what design as there? So description, DESC space, a table name is what? EMP. EMP. So this is our EMP table in our database, right? So I can create a table. So table is what? EMP. So there is a columns, right? There is a ID, name, salary, age. Okay. Whatever it may be, I can declare the data types. There is ID is the number type of 10. Name column is name of worker of 20. Salary of number type. So number of 20. Age is, there is an again number declaration of type, there is a 10, right? So this is a null is actually we are discussing now the basic level of commands only. Okay, so this null is our constraint types. This is the next topic we will discuss on later. So we just now we are discussing only basic level commands, right? Just now we are creating one table, right? So then, so I need to insert this table. That means I need to insert one row in this table, right? So there is a command insert. Command is insert. Insert into where there is a EMP table. So EMP table. So insert into EMP table. So values of, so there is a ID. ID is of what? ID. There is a 100. 100 is the employee ID. So comma name is a string type, right? So array type, right? So that's why I can declare the, single colon, right? So there is a mandatory, otherwise it will shows error. So name is array, I can take an array name within quotes again comma. Salary I can declare 2000 salary. Then finally age is 21. So EMP I can insert it in this EMP table. Okay, there is a first record is there. There is a Hari name, employed is 100, salary is 2000, and age is 21, right? So simply I can copy. Okay, simply I can copy and paste it. Okay, then enter it. So one row, there is one row successfully created. Then okay, then you need to, sorry, you need to uh, check it once the row inserted or in the table or not, right? So what is the command? Select command. Select, SELE, select star means all. Select a star from table name is what? EMP. So see, so this is table creation. So this is insert command. You need to insert in the table the row wise. So first row is what? First row, first employee detail is what? 100. So second, name, array. Third one column is salary. Fourth column is age. So okay, so these type of some examples are there. So I need to select one by one, actually one by one, but I need to little hurry, so that's why. So all, once again, copy paste and run it. So there is a three extra column, three rows are inserted, so successfully inserted. So how would like to check this one? Again, select star from EMP. So okay, so then enter it. So see, before I can select inserted one row, now I am inserted one, two, three more rows, right? So totally four rows. In that EMP table, the four rows or four records are inserted one by one, right? There is a, here there is a ID is a, there is a duplication value somewhere. So we will discuss on next topic, because this is basic commands, right? So I need to check it not in unique values. I need to check it with the duplicate values and without duplicate values. Okay, so these are four records. Then okay, first command is select command, create command is over, because of we are creating one table. Create command is over. There is a creating a table. And next one is desk description of employee. So I need to check it how the table was created, columns in the table. So third one is insert command. Insert command, I need to insert one by one rows in this particular table, right? So four records are inserted. So next command is alter. So you need to alter the table. So once you before you are creating one table, right? So I need to add one more table in this column. So that's why I can use alter command. So alter table. So which table you are altering? Alter table. Which table? EMP table. So alter table EMP. Add. Add is one more command, SQL command. Add, you are adding one column. Course also there is a string type, right? So that's why there is a varchar of. So here I can take one more type, right? Here in this table we are creating varchar of 2. So I can declare here varchar. So both are same. Okay, no need to worry. Both are same. So simply copy it and paste it, right? Okay, table altered. So before I can check, okay, how we can check table? Uh, Select star from EMP, right? See, so actually a column is added, but the row columns in between spaces are little bit problem, right? So I need to set in this column, set line size, set line size. Okay, see, once again I can perform. See, what is the difference between these table? So these columns are merging in between, right? So now the column space are good, right? Okay, one more command. I can just alter the command. So before see, ID, name, salary, age only. So now I can perform alter table EMP, add one more column. What column? Course column in our EMP table. So see, only I can add courses only. I'm not inserting any details. So we'll see next. Okay. Again, I can alter one more command, alter table EMP. So rename here. Before I can add one extra column in my table, right? So now I can alter column name. That means I am rename my old column. So which column? Alter table emp rename. Rename is the command and column is what? Name. So name column I can replacing emp name. So this is command. So simply copy it and paste it. So which query? Alter table emp table. I'm renaming the column name is name to, this is old name and this is the new name, right? Okay, so how do we check it? Simply select star from emp. See emp id name. So name, old name, replacing of emp name. So small caps and uh, upper small case and uppercase doesn't matter, right? Both are acceptable, right? So name or converting the new name is rename is emp name. So okay, that is called one more command. So now table was altered and one more column added and one column was renamed. So I need to update in that particular record. So I'm before I am adding one column, but it doesn't add any values. So now I need to update this column values also. So command is update. So update emp. Emp is nothing but table name. Update the particular table set. I need to set is the command. Set, which what set, right? So course value I need to set. So course, so default value again given MCA. MCA is the string format, right? That's why I can take an quotes, single quotes. So update emp. So update table set of values of what? Quotes column I need to update it where id is 100. So I need to only the id name is 100. So which places are there? That places I need to set this course value is only MCA. So not 101 value. I need to only update 100 id value. Okay, this is three values are there. So once I can perform this update command, okay, so three rows are reflected are updated. So update emp set course equal to MCA where id equal to 100. So three rows are updated. So right. So three rows are updated. Let them check. Select a star from emp. So see 100 as are updated. Again 100. These are duplicate values, right? But no need to worry because of we are just performing basic commands. We need to understand little bit good, right? So these 100, 100, 103 records are updated. So three records are updated to the MCA courses, right? Okay, clear? Next, one more command is delete command. I need before I am updating one by one row or multiple rows at a time. So I need to delete in this table. I need to delete one row or multiple rows. Rows means records. I need to delete multiple records or single records, whatever it may be. So on that time, I need to perform delete command. So I can take delete from where? So delete from which table? EMP table. So delete from EMP. I need to delete. I, I need to delete table EMP table where ID equal to 101. So I need to delete this command in my table. Okay, I don't want this record. So that's why I need to perform this command. Okay, so simply copy it and paste it, right? If you want to type it also. Okay, there is a just user compatibility. That's why I am just copy it and paste it, right? So enter. So one row deleted. Okay. Once again, I can check my table, right? So see, so 100, only 100 IDs are remaining. So delete from EMP where ID equal to 101, employee ID, I need to delete 101 ID record. Okay, so 101 deleted. So remaining only before table there is a 4 records. So I am deleting one row or one record is 101 record. So next remaining 3 records are remaining. Okay, clear, understood. So next command is select command. Select, we know select command. Select star is nothing but all columns from this table. So I need to check it once again. Okay, for your reference. So paste it, select star for MP. So that's select star. Star is nothing but entire table in columns, all columns. So from EMP, so all columns in this table. So ID, EMP name, salary, age, codes. So these 5 columns are there. Okay, understood. So next one is I don't want to select all columns. I need to select only ID column, EMP name column, salary column only in this EMP table. So that time command is select ID, EMP name, salary from EMP. Simply copy it and paste it. Okay. So I need to select only ID, MP name, salary. No need of age, no need of course column also. Okay. Okay. So see, so I need to filter these 3 columns in this table. Actually, database can have 5 columns, but I need to show only 3 columns only. So that's why we are using select command. Select your particular columns. So I'm selecting select ID, MP name, salary from MP. Okay. Right. Understood. So last one is the drop command. Drop command is simply deleting your table in our database. So before we are performing delete. So delete command is deleted records in our table. So that means 101, I need to delete 101 record in my MP table. So on that time, I can perform delete command. Okay, simply delete command is deleting records only in our table, not it deleting table. Okay, so I need to delete entire table in my database. On that time, drop command is used. So drop command is of what? Drop table name of what? EMP. Okay, sorry, so little bit mistake, EMP. Okay, so drop table EMP. So simply select it. So paste it. Once I can enter it, my EMP table will be erased in our database. No, after that, there is no available in our database this EMP table. So careful, once this perform this SQL query, the table EMP will be deleted permanently in our database, right? We'll see. See, it's very simple. Drop table name of EMP. So uppercase, lowercase is not important. Both are acceptable, right? So drop table, the particular table name is EMP was already dropped, right? So see, if you need to check it once, what is the select of your table command? Select star from EMP. So before I am drop, so I am deleted my table in my database. So what deleted, right? So I need to check it. There is a available or not. See, table or view does not exist. So before I can create a table, see, table created. Then the table displayed description of EMP means the table will be shown the particular columns we are creating the table time. So now I am deleting. So I'm sorry. I am drop table. So drop table means entirely deleting table in my database. So command is drop table. So particular table name I'm declaring. So table was dropped. Then I need to once again check select star from MP, but already table was deleted in database, right? So that's why not available. So this is error, table or view does not exist in our database. So this is the basic SQL commands of uh, queries. Okay, so we are just now performing uh, create command, alter command, and update command, delete command, select command, drop command, right? So these few commands are basic SQL commands. I hope so everyone will be understood. Thank you.